Actually, I just changed the title of my topic today, because a Muslim, he contacted me and he said if I can show him a false prophecy which is 100% clear that Muhammad is a big liar, he will leave Islam today. And he promised me that he and his wife, both of them, they are young couple, they are watching us right now, and he is waiting for me to prove it. Now I believe that this person is being decent and he will keep his promise. However, you keep your promise or not, this is your business. For me, Muhammad is a false prophet. You leave Islam or you don't. That will not change really anything. It's you who is going to be trapped with it if you decide to ignore what they were going to show you. So how we can show this Muslim 100% prove that Muhammad is a false prophet? Actually, everything in the Quran proving Muhammad to be a false prophet. I can mention things about, like Muhammad saying in the Quran, in chapter 18, that the sun set in murky water, how Muhammad described how the baby is made, etc. But I will show him something more clear. This is Muhammad, and this is Sahih Hadith. Let us see the number of the Hadith. Sahih Muslim, Hadith number 2538a. So let us see the prophecy which Muhammad he came with. Muhammad was speaking to his followers and he says, the meaning of the words, the prophet after 100 years will be no soul left alive, is living now. I mean, do you need to tell me the meaning of the words? That's it, we know what it is. Muhammad, he said, in 100 years from now, not a single human being will be alive. Is that a false prophecy, my friend? The gentleman who promised me he will leave Islam. Isn't it obvious that this is an extreme false prophecy? He's talking about what? He's talking about the judgment day. I heard Allah Messenger as saying this 1 month before his death. So he said that a month before his death. You ask about the last hour. Where is its knowledge is with Allah. I, however, take an oath and say that none upon the earth, the created beings, would survive at the end of 100 years. So Muhammad is speaking about the judgment day, that the judgment day is have to be maximum of 100 years from now. Here, when they added the companions, this is very silly. I mean, if Muhammad he died in the age of 63, I mean, how his companion they will live 100 years from now? I mean, that's mean they make them 163 years. So they put it there. It's a false translation. It says it clearly that none upon the earth, any creation, not only human, all creations upon the earth, within 100 years they will disappear. I'm waiting for you to text me in Skype and keep your promise. If you like to call me live and say I am leaving Islam, feel free. If you don't want to speak in public, it's up to you. Still, you can send me text and you tell me if I can show your text or not. Is that clear or not? I mean, how easier I can make it for you? A man claiming that not a single creation, and this is the hadith in Arabic, by the way. سمعت النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم يقول قبل أن يموت بشهر تسألوني عن الساعة وإنما علمها عند الله وأقسم بالله ما على الأرض من نفس منفوسة تأتي عليها 100 سنة. They are asking me, he said before a month from his death, you are asking me about the judgment day hour, or the hour of the judgment. The knowledge of it is with Allah, but I swear by Allah that not a single breathing soul will be living in 100 years from now? I'm still waiting for this gentleman to keep his promise. Until now, he did not send me a text. I don't know. Maybe he's discussing with his wife. Maybe he's not. Doesn't matter. But obviously, Muhammad is making up a lie, and we are now 1400 years after Muhammad, and we are alive as I believe right now I am alive. So how we can accept Muhammad to be a prophet? This is one of tons of stupid things your prophet he said, and you know, it's up to you. I mean, you wanna leave Islam, you wanna stay as a Muslim, this is your business.